everyone, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Andrew, and today we are making monkey bread, a dessert that tastes and resembles a cinnamon bun. It is called monkey bread because monkeys are known to tear and pull things apart, which is exactly what we'll be doing with this dessert today. So let's go over the ingredients and we can get started. You'll need 2 cans of Pillsbury ground biscuits, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease a 10-inch bundt pan with Pam Spray. This will prevent the monkey bread from sticking to the pan. Now we're going to make the cinnamon sugar mixture for our monkey bread by adding the cinnamon to the sugar and mixing it in well. Open up your cans of biscuits and cut each biscuit into quarters. Make sure to do this process with the second can of biscuits as well. Take half of your biscuits and toss them into the mixture. We're doing this in 2 steps just to make sure that the biscuits get fully coated. Once the first batch is fully coated, place it into your greased bundt pan. Then repeat with the second batch. Once all the biscuits are in your pan, it is time to make the caramel sauce. Place the butter and sugar in a saucepan on medium heat and melt them until they're completely dissolved. Once the butter and sugar has melted, bring it to a boil while whisking and boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and add your vanilla extract and mix it in well. Let the sauce cool for 5 minutes before pouring onto the monkey bread. Pour the sauce onto the monkey bread. Once poured, stick the monkey bread in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes until it is golden brown. Once golden brown, take it out of the oven and let it cool for 20 minutes. Once cooled, loosen the monkey bread with the knife around the edges. This will make it easier to flip over onto a plate. Once flipped, carefully remove the pan from the cake. Now it's ready to serve. Like I mentioned before, it tears really easily and it's delicious. Thank you for watching In the Kitchen with Andrew. For measurements and instructions on this recipe, you can check the description box below or check my Instagram or Twitter page. And don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe. Happy baking!